Hello, San Diego School of Flower Design, Flower School 101. She said she likes symmetry, but not too much. Hence, the two berries together. She's a very clever girl. Do you want to be on camera? No. How hard was this to do? How many days have you been designing flowers?
This is day 3, and this was by far easier than I would ever have anticipated.
Yeah.
Especially on my third day of doing this.
Say again?
Especially on my 3rd day of doing this. I never would have thought in a million years I could do this on day 3.
It's rock star good looking. I said, I've seen 7 million arrangements in my day, and sometimes you look at one and think, it's like the perfect Monet painting. Everything is where it should be. That's a really great design. Let's walk around. On her 3rd day of designing, she did this lovely centerpiece. For Christmas, all she's gonna do is put a little pine and cedar, and she's set to go. Magnificent. 3rd day on the job. She doesn't know how it happened. She's in shock. See, she's in sort of temporary shock. Here we have another great design over here. How hard was this to do?
Hard.
It was not. Turn that around. Turn it around. Let me see the other side. Spin it for me. 3rd day at Flower Design. Perfect. Gorgeous. I gotta step back to take it all in. Centerpieces. Classic American traditional flowers are spaced. Base of greenery, which was lemon leaf, a little bit of grevillea, which is that right there. She's got Gerber roses, snaps, line materials going out the end. That's one of the secrets of this design. Hypericum berries, a little bit of Queen Anne's lace stuck right in there. And shabam, Flower School 101, so good. Congratulations. Day 3. She's still got 3 days to go. Bye-bye. Keep blooming.